What if changing just a few minutes of your day could completely shift your financial future? And no, this isn't some overnight riches scheme. This is about something that's been sitting right in front of you the entire time. Today, we're going through 10 small daily habits. Each one feels tiny on its own, almost insignificant. But stacked together over months and years, they compound into something genuinely massive. These are simple, practical actions you can literally start today. By the end of this video, you'll probably wonder why nobody told you this sooner. Let's get into it. Habit 1. Create instead of consume. Here's your first shift. Most people spend hours scrolling through social media every single day, consuming content that gives nothing back. Flip that around. Spend even 15 or 20 minutes creating something instead. Write something, design a graphic, work on a small side project, record a short video about something you actually know well. Why does this matter so much? Because creating builds skills, builds an audience, and builds assets that can eventually pay you. That hobby account you started for fun could become a coaching business. That blog post could turn into income down the road. While everyone else consumes, you're quietly building something that could generate returns later. Habit 2. Get specific with goals. Vague goals like, I want to save more, don't actually work. That's a wish, not a goal. Instead, get specific. I will save $1,500 by the end of the year for my emergency fund. When your goal is that clear, everything becomes calculable. You instantly know you need about $125 per month, or roughly $30 a week, or about $4 a day. Suddenly, skipping a single unnecessary purchase makes obvious sense, because you can see exactly how it connects to your bigger picture. Specific goals turn abstract dreams into something you can actually track and measure. Habit 3. Pay yourself first. This is a classic piece of advice for a reason. It genuinely works. The moment your paycheck arrives, automatically move a set amount into savings or investments before you spend anything else. Even if it's a small amount to start, automate it completely. Here's why this works psychologically. When money disappears from your checking account immediately, your brain treats it as if it was never available to begin with. You naturally adjust your spending to whatever's left. It creates an invisible barrier between you and impulse purchases, redirecting that money straight into your future instead. Quick favor before we continue. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. And I'm curious, where in the world are you watching this from? Drop your country in the comments, and also comment the word rich below. I'm putting together a one-pager with all 10 habits laid out, and I'll send it to everyone who comments. All right, let's keep going. Habit 4. Track every dollar. Once a month, spend about 20 minutes sorting your expenses into 3 simple categories. Needs, things like rent, groceries, and utilities. Wants, things like streaming subscriptions or impulse purchases. And growth, things like books, courses, or investments. This isn't about guilt or judgment. It's purely about awareness. Most people genuinely have no idea where their money actually goes each month. Once you see the real numbers laid out clearly, you'll naturally spot areas to adjust. Maybe there's a subscription you forgot about costing you hundreds of dollars a year that could instead be redirected toward building wealth. Habit 5. Choose your circle. Carefully. You've likely heard some version of this idea. You tend to become similar to the people you spend the most time around, and this is especially true with money habits. If the people around you constantly spend on expensive outings, you'll feel pressure to match that. If they're always upgrading gadgets, you'll feel that same pull. Instead, actively seek out people who model the financial habits you actually want for yourself. Join communities, attend events, or follow people online whose approach to money you respect. Their habits will gradually start influencing your own. Habit 6. Invest in financial education. Set aside 30 to 60 minutes weekly to consume one piece of financial content. An article, a video, a podcast episode, anything that teaches you something new about money, investing, or business. Think of financial knowledge like compounding itself. Each piece of information builds on the last. Understanding one basic concept leads naturally to the next. And eventually, you've built real, usable knowledge about building wealth. In today's economy, people who understand money have a genuine structural advantage over those who don't. Habit 7. Get comfortable saying no. Start declining anything that doesn't actually move you toward your financial goals. The expensive outing you can't really afford? No. The subscription you barely use? No. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't serve your goals, you're automatically saying no to something that could have protected your time, energy, or money instead. People who build wealth tend to be excellent at declining decent opportunities, specifically so they have room to say yes to genuinely great ones. Habit 8. Practice daily gratitude. Every evening, write down just one thing you're genuinely grateful for. It takes less than a minute, but it shifts your mindset in a meaningful way over time. Gratitude moves your thinking from scarcity toward abundance. And that abundant mindset helps you notice opportunities you'd otherwise miss. When you feel genuinely grateful for what you already have, you tend to make calmer, more rational financial decisions instead of panic-driven ones. And you become more likely to invest in your future rather than spend impulsively in the present. Habit 9. Build real connections. Once a month, reach out to someone in your network with a simple approach. Ask one genuine question and offer one helpful piece of information or resource in return. That's the entire formula. No pushy asks, no favors requested. This single habit builds authentic relationships over time, and genuine relationships are often where unexpected opportunities come from. Your next job, your next client, or your next collaboration could easily trace back to a simple monthly check-in like this one. Habit 10. Stack tiny wins consistently. Here's where the real magic happens. Focus on improving just slightly each week, whether that's your savings rate, your income, or a specific skill. The math here is genuinely surprising. If you improve by a small percentage consistently every single week for a year, the compounding effect means your total improvement ends up significantly higher than simple addition would suggest. That's the difference between modest progress and genuinely transformative results over time. Small, consistent improvements compound into outcomes that feel impossible from where you're starting. Look, building wealth doesn't require luck or some special advantage. It requires small, consistent daily habits that compound over time. These 10 habits might feel minor individually, but stacked together over a year, they can genuinely reshape your financial life. Pick just one from this list, commit to it for a week, and see what shifts. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this, hit that like button, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Comment "rich" below for the full one-pager, and let me know in the comments which habit you're starting with today. See you in the next one.